what was the difference in how I saw it and what you were saying? Because you're saying Satchidanandized form. Still, why is it a Satchidanandaized and Satchidananda? It is the same Lord himself, no? In that sense.
Same Lord. Then why? If the energy of the Lord is same as the Lord, then why energy and Lord? This is a fundamental question. I'll ask a more fundamental question. The Lord is non-different from his energy. But then what is this complication? Why energy and the Lord? It's just say everything is energy. Everything is Lord. This has no answer except the fundamental Tattva Vaishnava philosophy. Absolute truth means a person with Shakti. The two are there. But the Shaktiman is served by the Shakti, and Shakti is coming from him. And Shakti is, because it's coming from him, it is him only. So there is simultaneously one and different. The simultaneously one and different is applicable at different levels, Achintya Bheda Bheda Tattva, starting from the Lord and his energy. Starting from the Lord and Radharani. From there itself it goes on. Radharani is Krishna only. Somewhere you will see Prabhupada saying. Then why they are separate if there is Krishna only? So the next answer is they are not one also. So simultaneously one and different. And there is a reason for it. For the pleasure of the Lord. The Lord brings forth so many things for his own play. So when he plays with them, it is not him. It is his energy. But if you have not ability to catch him, to touch him and everything, he'll say, okay, here, I will become that only. No. I'll become that Vigraha. Your inability, I will receive. I am omnipotent, I can do anything. You touch the Vigraha, you are touching me. I have decided that. Nobody can change that. You touch with the attention, your eyes, the deity form, you have touched me. With your attention, you hear the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, you have touched me. He has told already, ho gaya. You are touching him. Yesterday I gave an example of touching and experiential touching and existential touching. Krishna says, you are touching me. Whether you are pure or not, you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, you are touching me. Existentially. You are touching my existence. But you are not touching me experientially. Because there is a rubber gloves in between, which has to melt. By touching my existence constantly, because I have told I exist in the deity, I exist in the vibration that you make, I exist there, he says. By touching him existentially, we get purified. Contact is there, purified. You get, your senses get Satchidanandized. You got 90% you got almost. 10% may take time. Because Prabhupada says, that quote itself says, that in the beginning one may not be able to, that quote is there, no? In the beginning, one may not be able to grasp this. But eventually, one will understand this. He says, this is not for neophytes. This class is not for neophytes. For those who are doing devotion service so many years, for them they are hearing. Beginning, they will never understand 90% of it. Oneness and difference of the Lord's. Come down the last line of that para. Here. In the beginning, this may be difficult for a neophyte to understand. But in due course, when one is advanced in devotion service, it will be easier and he will appreciate the Lord's presence in these tangible forms. It takes time. Rubber has to melt some more. There is a rubber around our intellect. To have philosophical realization also, that should melt. Good question. Thank you.